Hi there, today we're at Seal Rocks. Seal Rocks is the northern end of the Mire Lakes National Park. There's a couple of beautiful beaches, a couple of very interesting headlands. Then there's a walk out to the Sugarloaf Point Lighthouse. If we can, we're going to try to get down to the bottom, below where the rocks are. Let's go have a look, let's go for a walk and talk. Seal Rocks is a 3.5 hour drive north of Sydney and marks the northernmost boundary of the Mire Lakes National Park. As you drive into Seal Rocks, you're welcomed with a view of this magnificent beach. It's a beautiful spring day. The beautiful scenery and the sheltered waters of this beach make it an ideal place to spend a few days. The Reflections Holiday Park, which is directly opposite the beach, offers a variety of different accommodation options for people staying in the area. Sugarloaf Bay is the second beach in this part of the national park. And just like the first one, it offers an idyllic location with an expansive sand beach and crystal clear waters. I think this old fishing boat has seen its last fishing trip, don't you? What a beautiful location to spend some quality time away from the rat race with your loved ones. One last look at Sugarloaf Bay before we move on to the next part of our walk. It's just beautiful. Sugarloaf Point Lighthouse was constructed back in 1875 and is about 700 metres down along this sealed road. Dingoes are most plentiful in the central part of Australia, but can also be found in lower numbers in this area as well. It's a pretty warm day, and the dappled shade from these trees along this road are very much appreciated. It's not too long into the walk when we get our first view of the lighthouse that's perched up on top of the headland. It's been a pretty gentle, easy walk so far. In this area here, the sea has made a tunnel through the cliff face and the waves come crashing through to the other side. The lighthouse looks pretty high up from this angle here, doesn't it? Our first view of Sugarloaf Point as it stretches out into the Pacific. The lighthouse keepers' cottages have recently been refurbished and are available for accommodation if you want to stay. The last 50 or 60 metres up to the lighthouse are pretty steep and will test your fitness. I know it tested mine. From up here you get a glimpse of Sugarloaf Bay on our right, and as we pan across, there's the lighthouse beach on our left. This is the view of the lighthouse from the weather station. It's my favourite place to get photos of this old place. This is the view from up on the lighthouse. First at the point, then across to the beach. Making your way down from the lighthouse sure is a lot easier than making your way up. Just making my way down to the beach. Next to the beach is near the base of the lighthouse buildings complex. The tide is too high for us to get around onto the point, but from down here you do get a really good view of the lighthouse up there. time to head up the steps to make our way back to our starting point. I made my way back to the car. Today's walk was quite enjoyable. The beach down at Seal Rocks was very, really nice, and the walk out to Sugarloaf Point was a little bit steep towards the end there, but it wasn't too bad. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.